what's up guys? It is Bella. We are here at Stage 4 Motorsports and I'm here with John and it is time, what you guys have been all waiting for. My Supra build has begun and I am super stoked. So Stage 4 Motorsports and Ghost Tuning has came together to make a beautiful exhaust for my lovely Supra and we're about to do an unboxing. I am very excited. Let's get into it. Here. I know we got purple titanium. I even have a little remote for the valve. Let's get this bad boy undone. We have a lot of oh yeah! Check it out. Can I touch it? You told me not to touch it. Check this out, guys. The purple is going to look so good with the wrap, which I'm not going to mention what it is yet. You guys will have to stay tuned for part 2. Check that out. Oh my god. I don't even know what this, I don't even know what I'm looking at, to be honest right now. There's so many bits and pieces of this. Oh dude. This is going to be crazy. Oh, goodbye stock exhaust. Hello Ghost Tuning. Oh, now that is crazy. Check out the logo on that thing. That's badass. That is so badass. Can I just grab this big boy? Yep.
It's heavier than it looks.
Oh yeah. Check this out, guys. This is so sick. We got the Ghost Tuning smack dab in the middle of this bad boy. Oh, it looks so good. This is like the coolest thing I've ever held. This is going right up in there. Man, they pack these like super nice, huh? I don't even know how to like get into that. Well done, well done.
Here's one of the tips.
Oh. Check this thing out. That's so cool. That's so cool. That's so sick. Oh yeah. That's gonna look wicked. Okay. Yep, there we go. Guys, I have my own little remote. So this, he said, we're putting in the back, and then I got these tiny little remotes. Check that out. And this opens it, and then this side closes it.
Correct.
Yeah, is that what it is?
Yep.
Yeah. Open and close the valve. Those two type remotes. I've never had a remote before. That's cool. But yeah, guys, that's really neat. Really, really neat. Now that we've finished unboxing everything, we're gonna lower this car to the ground, we're gonna start it up for you guys, get what the stock exhaust sounds like, and then we're gonna do a little after for you with the Ghost Tuning exhaust. It's our last time with the stock exhaust. Quiet as hell. This thing is so quiet. Alright, give her a little rumble. So quiet. It's so quiet, guys. Just wait for the after. I don't know what to expect on this, but from what they described, it's going to sound pretty mean and aggressive. But yeah, so all of this is about to just absolutely good. Okay, so what's the process? You want to run me down on kind of what we're doing here?
The first thing I'm going to do is get everything clear. So we have a chassis brace plate here, which actually runs all the way underneath these black covers. So the first thing we're going to do is get these a little bit loose so that we can get the bolts out. This will come down. And then we're just going to basically work from the back to the front to the back. It's really preference at that point. We don't have any sensors to deal with really, except for the stock valving. And then basically what we'll do is we'll lay out the whole exhaust front to back on the floor so we know where everything goes. And then we just start putting her together.
Oh, I'm so excited.
And we'll leave it all loose so that we can fit everything perfectly, and then we'll start tightening it down.
That is so exciting. All right, let's get these gloves on. I'm ready. Where's our little fun tray?
You get the blue gloves.
Yes.
They're itty bitty.
The blue gloves. Oh yeah. It's like a little cinematic slow-mo. Probably need to take my rings off to make it.
Yeah, I would.
You take them off? Yeah, and that's what I think I'm gonna rip them.
It would probably rip. if I had to guess.
Yeah. These things are tight in there.
Tight?
Yeah, big time.
If those don't fit, we got mediums right there, which I'm having a
Oh,
hard
we're
time
good.
with.
We're good.
It's a lot of ribs.
Oh, I snapped it.
See? It's time to step up to the mediums.
It's like second nature.
Start getting into...
Damn, I'm behind already. We gotta get my fingers in
trust
this
me,
thing.
I'll save plenty for you.
Oh, yeah. You gotta save me the fun parts.
Yeah, holding a button. We can do it all live after you're done.
All right.
We're getting to it.
Let's do this thing. Just replacing the piping. Copy that. They give you instructions on this?
No, ma'am.
So it's just straight from the brain, huh?
Correct. So that's why you kind of just work through it one piece at a time.
Makes sense.
Then you leave it all loose and just kind of get everything to fit how you want it to fit.
Now, when you install it, do you put everything together and then you put it up there?
I do not. So I'll
You
work,
do it
I'll
one at a
work
time.
little, basically pieces at a time. Some of
Okay.
it, like, so this back half section will it'll probably go in as one piece with these pieces, and then after
Yeah.
that, I'll just piece it together going forward, if that makes
Gotcha.
sense. Now we're gonna test fit. Clamp it in. That's the goal. Get something for it. Don't let it be.
What's the goodies? Uh-oh. Bolt down.
Yay.
Where are those for?
Those are the ones we need right now, actually. So now let's just kind of try and
Yeah.
get this portion up there.
Let's get that portion.
So I'm gonna pick it up.
Yep.
Grab the bolts for these hangers. So when I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up.
Yep.
I'm gonna kind of trap it up there. I'll get a bolt on either side.
Yeah.
Your job is to try and get these two just up onto the pipes that are existing there. Just remember they're very loose. So
Slow and steady.
slow and steady. All right, go ahead and stuff it up on there.
Stuff it in there.
Hey, that's half the job. Is it not gonna fit like that, you don't think?
Oh, it might be because the camera.
Oh.
It's hitting the camera.
Oh, well maybe that'll do it.
Yeah. We
Okay,
got it.
let's try it again. It's just a heat shield, we'll be all right. Luckily, this is way lighter than the stock one.
The crab walk. Oh, it fit.
And that side going in? Yeah?
She's in.
And we gotta go way in.
Lefty's done. Righty can go more.
Alright, we're gonna get it up there and then we'll adjust it. How about that?
That's the plan.
Yeah, she's gonna go way forward. Hold on. And what I can do is I can also adjust that other side just a little bit. You want those nuts? Please. Thank you, sir. So what we're gonna do
Did
now
you get my
is we're gonna
Patrick
get-
Star moment?
Should be good. There we go. Yeah.
Patrick Star.
Now we have to adjust that.
Adjust everything.
So these pipes here need to go way further.
No.
It's actually really good. I mean, it fits so well everywhere else. I kind of
How far off is the hanger?
That's my cue.
Oh yeah.
it's here to there.
Right.
So unfortunately, I can't really do much.
That's what I'm saying though. I would just take some out of
Even
that.
if I did that, I can't get it. I guess I could.
Yeah. No, that's fine. That's solid. I would just take it. Yeah, I would just take a little bit out.
It keeps feeling like it wants to move, but it doesn't. So.
Yay! Exhausts. They always fit every time.
Every time. Pipes and pipes.
Get a 7 mil and we'll take these off
You're trying to grab.
so we can take for the exhaust valves and then go up into the trunk.
Is there something you need to grab?
Well, no, I'm trying to see if there's a rubber grommet under there that we can poke through.
It's time.
It's time.
It's time.
Is there anything in the way? I love watching them get into these cars. It's my favorite part of the day.
Because her and I are about the same height, and it's a very tight squeeze. I don't know how she drives it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I said, if you're cruising and you want to get pop,
Yeah.
lay your foot off, and then kind of just slow and go and
Yeah.
barely touch it.
That is insane.
I think that's perfect.
Yeah, that's called
Wow.
That's gonna sound nasty.
I almost don't want to put a downpipe on it.
Yeah.
That's
Not too aggressive. That's not too aggressive.
Dude,
Brad,
that's all too
Wow.
It wanted a fire. It was right there.
Like if you feather it between 5 and 6, that's when you get that little.
So like I said, you just whop and then tap it. And it'll
Do that again?
Oh, that sounded so insane.
yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That's our buddy.
Oh man, I like this thing.
Yup.
Alright guys, we officially have the new ghost tuning exhaust on this Supra and I am super excited. It sounds absolutely insane. Insert rep clips now. Yeah guys, thank you for watching the official first part of the build. Who knows what we're going to do next? We have a lot of crazy things planned for this car and I cannot wait to show you guys. So make sure you subscribe to K Shoots along with Stage 4 Motorsports. Turn on the bell, drop a comment on what we should do next for the Supra. Stay tuned, y'all. Little bonus clip for anyone that stayed to the rest of the video. Check this out. Oh my gosh, y'all. That sounds so good. That sounds so good. Have a little button too. And then we close it. That's awesome. Thanks for watching, guys.